Fire. My dinner was fire. So I'm parked back in Le Chateau. I'm all cleaned up for the night. Here's the thing about only having an outdoor shower. And I don't shower like every day or every week, even. I mostly just bathe inside of Le Chateau. And I use these here and my soap that I make, which is so lovely. It cleans so well and it rinses. Like, I'll use one of those, squirt some on there, wash up, then use another one to like rinse off. It rinses off so clean, so smooth. I love it. So I'm all cleaned up, being in all that smoke. I need to make sure I don't go to bed with smoke all over me and, rinse my hair and everything. And so I feel great. Like, I feel clean and my skin feels smooth. I really, really love the soap that I made. And it's almost time to make more. So, my dinner was beef brisket. Mmm, it was fire. I did char a little bit of it, but baby, I'm from St. Louis. I ate that too. Okay. We ate all of that. It was so delicious. I'm not even lying. It was beautiful. I'm still learning how to use my stove. Like, I'm still gauging how to use it. And one thing I figured out today, well, tonight, is when I wrap it, I need to wrap it again to where the top is closed completely. Because when I went to flip it today, although I put hot coals on the top of it, when I went to flip it, some of my juice started to come out and I didn't want that. So I turned it back over. That's how it ended up getting charred because I was like, okay, let's just put it back on here. But it was fire. It was delicious. So I am very well fed, very well cleaned. I feel comfortable. All of my plants, if you notice, I don't have any plants behind me. They're all up on the balcony for the night. It is a beautiful evening, so I'm going to let them sleep outside and get some fresh air, wake up to the sun, and I'm going to call it a night. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see other things that I've cooked, I'm going to leave a playlist for you to watch after you watch this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video.